This is how many birds come to my feeders at one time. There's 2 feeders, and then they have 2 things to drink out of, and then I put food down on the pavement. And they're coming and going constantly, getting them a bite and flying back up in the trees up there. They come all the way back up here under this bush even. And something scares them, somebody walks up or walks by or something. There they are on the feeders. But I love birds, so I enjoy it. I enjoy feeding them. It takes quite a bit of food in 1 month's time, but we do the best we can. And then I've got a feeder on the side of the building in front of my bedroom window that you put the blocks in with the grease and the seeds and the berries, and the woodpeckers and the bigger birds go to it too. So they're happy little buddies, especially here in the winter time now. And then in the summer I put out hummingbird feeders as well. This is Mary M. watching her birds. They just all flew up in the tree just then. Something scared them. That's the glare off my glass door. I've got artificial flowers in my pots outside to give me some color while it's in the winter. They're coming back now. Okie dokie. Bye-bye.